When it comes to creating a welcoming first impression, curb appeal plays a vital role. In Baltimore, where historic charm meets modern living, homeowners are finding that window installation is one of the most impactful upgrades they can make. New windows not only refresh the look of a property but also boost energy efficiency and home value. A fresh look for Baltimore homes. Windows are more than just openings for light and air. They're architectural features that define a home's character. In Baltimore's diverse neighborhoods, from the classic row houses in Federal Hill to the stately homes in Roland Park, the right window style can accentuate unique architectural details. Clean, modern windows with sleek frames add a contemporary touch, while traditional double-hung or bay windows preserve historic authenticity. Updating old or worn-out windows instantly brightens the exterior. Fresh frames, clear glass, and updated designs create a polished appearance, showing that a home is well cared for. This small visual change often translates into a significant boost in curb appeal, making the property stand out on the block. Energy efficiency meets style for many Baltimore homeowners. Window installation is about more than aesthetics, it's also about practicality. With humid summers and chilly winters, energy-efficient windows make a noticeable difference in comfort and utility bills. High-performance windows with double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames help maintain consistent indoor temperatures year-round. The good news is that energy-efficient designs come in a wide variety of styles and finishes. Homeowners don't have to sacrifice beauty for performance. From elegant casement windows to expansive picture windows, it's possible to select options that fit the home's style while cutting down on drafts and energy waste. Increasing property value. Another advantage of window installation is the return on investment. Real estate experts consistently rank new windows among the top home improvements for boosting property value. In Baltimore's competitive housing market, homes with updated windows often sell faster and attract more buyers. Prospective homeowners see new windows as a sign of reduced maintenance and better efficiency, making the property more appealing. Even for those not planning to sell immediately, the long-term value is significant. Quality windows last for decades, providing ongoing benefits in both comfort and appearance. Customization for every home. Every Baltimore home has its own personality, which is why customization is a key part of the window installation process. Homeowners can choose from a range of materials: vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum, depending on their style preferences and budget. Color choices and finishes allow windows to blend seamlessly with existing exterior designs or stand out as bold architectural statements. For historic homes, custom window designs can replicate original details while meeting today's efficiency standards. For modern properties, large sliding or picture windows can maximize natural light and create a more open feel. The flexibility of today's options ensures that every homeowner can achieve a personalized result. Professional installation matters. While choosing the right window style is essential, professional installation ensures lasting performance. A poorly fitted window can compromise energy savings, cause water leaks, or diminish visual appeal. In Baltimore, experienced installers understand the unique needs of older brick row houses, historic properties, and contemporary builds alike. Proper installation guarantees that the investment enhances curb appeal and functionality for years to come. Final thoughts. Enhancing curb appeal with window installation is one of the most effective ways Baltimore homeowners can refresh their properties. New windows bring together beauty, energy efficiency, and long-term value, making them a smart investment. Whether preserving historic charm or embracing a modern update, the right windows create a lasting impression, one that starts the moment someone sees your home from the street.